Here's something most AI publishers don't realize. Information does not sell books. Stories do. And if your AI book reads like a robot wrote it, then readers will bounce after the first chapter. Today, I'm going to show you why stories are the most powerful tool for selling in nonfiction, and how you can weave them into your AI draft to make your book unforgettable. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. Think about the last time you read a book that you couldn't put down. It probably wasn't just the facts that grabbed you. It was the stories. Our brains are wired to remember narratives, not lists of information. If your book only gives instructions, then it feels like a manual. But if it gives stories, then it feels like a conversation. Here's an example. Imagine you're writing a productivity book. The AI draft might spit out something like, the Pomodoro technique increases focus by breaking work into intervals. Now that's fine, but it's flat. Now let's add a story. When I first tried the Pomodoro technique, I thought setting a timer would be distracting. But by the end of day 2, I realized I had gotten more done in 4 hours than I do in an entire day. That simple timer completely rewired my focus. Now you see that? Suddenly the reader connects. Or let's take health. Instead of saying drink more water, tell a story like, I used to drink 4 sodas a day. The first week I cut them out, I had constant headaches. But by week 2, I woke up with more energy than I had in years. That's the power of water. Now see that? Now the lesson sticks. The beauty of this is you don't need long, overdrawn out stories. Just 2 or 3 sentences here or there sprinkled throughout your entire book can transform it from generic AI text into something the readers can actually feel. And you don't have to only use personal stories. You can use case studies, customer examples, or even scenarios like, imagine walking into your kitchen after work and within 30 minutes having a week's worth of meals prepped. That's a story too, because it paints a picture. If you want your AI books to stand out in 2026, then stop thinking like an instruction manual and start thinking like a storyteller. Wrap every lesson in a story and you'll not only get better reviews, but readers will remember you and come back for more. Inside my course, I showed the exact prompts and frameworks that I use to insert stories into drafts and make them feel 100% human. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make your AI books impossible to ignore. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.